We're in the oil spill house again, and there's going to be a sink installed here now. From before the oil spill, there always was a sink, and now we're going to install a real one. Everything here, all the plumbing you see, is going to be cut back and redone.
Undo that? I got the screwdriver there.
Oh, it's a screw.
That's when you send. Now, what I want to do, leave those straps because I want to try to salvage the wood there, but we'll cut the wood back.
You want me to cut it like here?
Yeah, well, I want to, let's first get this off, then we'll get the waters off. So I'm going to mount the one-handle valve, and then we'll run the PEX overhead.
You want me to do clean up the valves and stuff?
Yeah, with the adapters.
Oh, you know what, Pete? I just remembered, we didn't want to block the window. So the water would stay in, but then it was still, and it's surprised it's still holding. It's just a soldered mess.
Yeah. Well, it's time. That's a sign that.
So this is in, it's going to be soldered, of course, and then unfortunately it's going to be PEX because that's the crap that millennials like. Plastic has got to be better than metal that we've used for over 100 years. This is all being chopped out, including this weird angle on this piece, this whole PVC that Joe and I did back in the day with the replacing an HE washer with a real washer videos.
You're gonna get an education today, other than a sink. In these days, I can't afford to be out of work anymore. 6 weeks was enough.
Right.
I'm not a where I got unlimited sick days. That's why I'd say keep that job.
Right.
You don't want this one.
No. I was an electrician before, so sometimes that phone rings.
Tom, grab the PEX from the truck. I'll do this in my sleep.
Don't you want to see me to do it?
I got
Watch the wall.
I got 4 eyes, Joe.
Watch the wall.
I got 4 eyes.
These are original walls.
Oh, these are the best basements to work in. Are you kidding? This is the best. This is nice working like this.
Oh, just open?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can't do
And
that.
for, also it don't hurt working for people like you. Some of the people we work for are brutal.
I'm sure.
But it's usually with the company. All of my customers are kind of like you,
Right. Word of mouth. And people
Yeah,
know
word of
people.
mouth. Nobody's giving you a hard time.
As a little side project, the light that's been here by the boiler has been dead for,
Still good?
I think, since the oil spill. What has it been, 4 years now?
It's been dead since I
3 years?
installed it.
Whatever it was, it's always been dead, so we're putting finally got a new fixture, and we'll see if it works. Strip it out.
Alright, when in doubt, rub
We're
one
gonna
out.
put like these little furring strips in. to get that to fit over these
Having a
pipes.
nice time. What do you think?
Holy.
Working with me every week, and that's why he doesn't want to work for him.
I had a guy who worked for Hazelton out of Amityville, and he refused to work on the weekends.
Nah, you can't bite the hand, you know?
He used to do that all the time. Oh, hey, how about
What's your overhang?
Like 7/8.
it's about an inch right there.
Okay.
So the sink is ready to be installed, and the pipes will be run after because it's probably going to run the length of this, I would gather, and hook back in for the watchman. That, in case you're curious, is to keep it off the ground so there's no water infiltration. And what is that? Look at your typical stop sign. That's what kind of metal that is. That's exactly what it's off of. So it's been an hour and nothing has happened in Light Central.
I'm on a
I've
union
been
job.
talking.
It's a
Been
union.
talking.
Keep talking. You gotta talk things out. Talk things out.
Talk it out. Talk it out.
When in doubt, rub it out.
Allegedly, he actually used a drill bit and pre-drilled this
That was
stuff.
off camera, so you.
But it was
can't-
off camera, so it never
It
happened.
can't happen.
Just make sure to strip these screws out.
Well, you know what I did wanted to do is on camera split the wood, and then you would have said you should have used your drill. And then I said, oh, I used the drill.
So we're putting these strips up for the light to mount to it, because that's the wood that's handy. Wait till that battery goes dead.
Like every year during the holidays, the heat and the cold,
Yep.
and then I get water.
Right.
So for the gay people,
Every beat.
the rest of the colors are in between.
You see that guy that did that white PEX? The fact that he used that tubing and that method of expanding,
I was looking at that. Actually.
that right off the bat, I don't know the level of his competence, but I know that he's
Using the right
gotta be okay.
Oh
Because
yeah.
he knows and he can afford the tool.
We're putting the bulbs in, and we'll see if it actually works.
What do you think? You're the only one that has
Plug it in.
sarcasm as a middle name?
See if it works this time.
Those two together is like.
Finally. Finally. There's a light finally. Wow.
I would go a little longer. We could always cut a ½ inch off. I'll be okay. Could you get me 2 T's from over there? Get the, oh geez, you know what I think I didn't get?
Those lights are brighter. Jay.
Okay. And you'll be able to do this without it moving.
Okay.
It's like
Yeah,
play
'cause I wanna
school.
try to teach them
You
how to-
should. That's what it's for. Because to tell my wife to do that, I might have to stop there. And her sister got me a little. Tom, where's the 1 5/8 gazinta for the tool? You know, for the.
Usually
Okay.
5/8.